In this video I'm going to show you how to install a cooling fan. Let's get into it. So firstly, this is my setup and I am gonna get my PC. But as you can see, it's not installed well. Now let's do this. Now it's testing time. Now we installed the fan successfully. Hopefully your fan is not noisy as mine. Anyways, I hope you will enjoy this video and please subscribe to my channel if you want more stuff like this one, because I'm Zeno, the computer enthusiastic, and I like these things. So of course I will show you some content like this one. Anyways, please subscribe and like this video and you will get more. See you later, my friend.